to stay. They said, can you come and stay in our room? I said, sure. You can put up my snoring, go for it. That's the other thing, is I snore and tend to make noises at night.
That's
very obnoxious noises, so I've been told.
Hootie's a snorer as well.
Trust me, I'm a lot worse than Hootie.
Wow.
Would you agree with that, Holmes?
What other things should I know?
How would I know that? I've never heard Hootie snore.
What other
If anybody
things?
in the world's worse than you, I don't want to be with them.
What other things should I know about before I come to a visit to your house? Just I'm talking about personal hygiene. Like, what else do I need to prepare myself for mentally?
I don't know. We have to think about that.
I mean, there's no running water, you said.
There's running water.
Oh.
And we don't have any cable either. Cut that off.
Okay. You don't watch any TV?
Nope.
All right, good. It's going to make my show better.